Yes, the next question is find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is given to you 60 degree. Okay, we have to find area of sector and what is the area of sector and what is the formula. Formula of the sector is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, now come on, theta is given to you 60 degree and 360 degree already here. Pi is 22 upon 7. R is what? 6 into 6. 6 1 the 6, 6 6 the 36. 6 1 the 6, 6 1 the 6. 6 2 the 12. 1. 12 and 1, 13. 132 upon 7. What will be the unit? Area is there. So unit will be centimeter square. This is your answer. The next one find the area of quadrant of a circle whose circumference is given to you 22 centimeter. Circumference of a circle is what? This is 2 pi r, है ना? 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle. Okay, so 2 pi r, this will be given 22. This is given to you 2 into 22 upon 7 r, this 22. Okay, then r will be what? 22 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Isn't it? This will go down. So 22 1 is 22, 22 1 is 22. This is 7 upon 2 centimeter. But what you have to find? Area of quadrant. What is area of quadrant? 1 upon 4 pi r square. Come on. Area of quadrant. This is 1 upon 4 pi r square. Okay. So 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 4. 22 upon 7. Pi r square. Pi value is pi is here. R. What is the value of r? Is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Come on, let us solve. 7 to 7 cut. 2 1s are 2 is 11. Okay, 11 7s are 77 and 4 2s are 8. Again, here is area. What is the unit of it? This is centimeter square. This is your centimeter square. The next question is the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Okay. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay. What is given to you? You have given to you the length of the minute hand of a clock. Its length is given to you 14 centimeter of a minute hand. Okay. You have to find area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay. In 5 minutes, how much area will cover that by any minute hand? Okay. What we know it actually, a 1 minute hand can cover in 1 hour 360 degree. The angle made by any minute hand, like this is a clock, this is 12. Okay, then minute hand will cover from here to here, again covering here. This angle is 360 degree. Okay, then after I am writing here angle swept in 1 hour in 60 minutes, it means 360 degree. Then what will be in 1 minute? You have to divide it. This is 360 divided by 60. Okay. So this will be what? 60. Then how much angle cover in 5 minutes? So 5 into 6 degree. 30 degree. This is your theta. Theta we have, and we have given r also. R is 14 centimeter. What you have to find? How much area swept it? That is like a sector. In 5 minutes, how much area swept? Okay. What is area of sector? theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, so theta is your 30 degree upon 360 degree into pi r square, 22 upon 7, r is your 14 into 14. Okay, then you can cut 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 0 to 0, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, here is 11. What is 11 into 14 upon 3? See, again 11 into 14 is coming, and again we will use that Vedic method. Okay, so 3 is already here, 1 and 4 you write, and 4 plus 1 is 5. 154 upon 5 centimeter square, because we have to find area. This is your answer. Now the next question is, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of corresponding minor segments and major segments. Okay, first of all, what is given to you? Three things are given to you here. Okay, one is given to you, radius 10 centimeter. Radius is r 10 centimeter. Okay, right angle is given to you, theta is 90 degree given to you. Find the area of corresponding minor segment. Minor segment means what? This is the segment. Minor segment is lower part, shaded part, and this is your major segment, unshaded part. How can we get it minor segment? We have one formula, theta upon 360 degree into pi r square minus r square by 2 into sin theta. Okay, for what about major segment? For major segment, what to do? You have to subtract area of minor segment from total area of the circle. What is area of circle? Pi r square. So first of all, we are going to find out area of minor segment, then after major segment. Come on. Area of minor segment, theta upon 360 degree into pi r square minus r square by 2 sin theta. So theta is your 90 degree, 360 degree, pi 3.14, r is given 10 into 10 minus r is 10 into 10 upon 2 sin theta is what? 90 degree. It's very easy. Okay, 90 with the 90, 94 the 360. Okay, now I am removing decimal. Remove. Then I am cutting two zeros. Cut, cut, this cut, cut. Okay. Then see here, by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. Sin 90 is coming. Sin 90 is 1. Okay. Sin 90 degree is 1. This is 100 upon 2 is 50. And here 157 upon 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 1. 2 5s are 10. So 78.5 minus 50, you will get 28.5 centimeter square. What is this? 28.5 is what? This is area of minor segment. Now you have to find out area of major segment. Earlier I told you what is how can we get it area of major segment? That is your area of a circle minus area of minor segment. That with help of this formula you can get area of major segment. See, area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. What is area of circle? This is pi r square. What is area of minor segment? That we got it 28.5. See, 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 28.5. Remove this decimal, 100. Again, this cut. 314 minus 28.5. When you subtract it, you will get 285.5 centimeter square. Yes, the next question is, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find what you have to find: length of arc. Second, area of sector you have to find. Third, area of segment you have to find. Okay, first of all, length of arc. Length of arc. Length of arc is equal to theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. Okay, theta is given to you 60 degree. You put theta 60 degree upon 360 degree into 2. What is value of pi? Pi is 22 upon 7. And what is r? R is given 21. So 61 is 60, 66. Okay. Then 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. Okay. 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2. 3 2 3 cut. Okay. Then what is the length of arc is 22, and what will be the unit? Length unit is centimeter. This is your length of arc. Now we have to find what? Area of sector. What is area of sector? Area of sector. Okay, area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So theta is what here? 60 degree upon 360 degree. Pi value is what? 22 upon 7. And radius is given to you. Radius is 21. So 21 into 21. 61 is 60, 66 is 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 2, 3 is 6 is 11, and 3 7 is 21. Okay, what is coming? 11 into 21. I am using again, because 11 multiplication is there, again Vedic method. What is the Vedic method? 2 write like this and 1 write like this, and 2 and 1 3 centimeter square. This is the area of sector. Next one is area of segment. What is the formula of area of segment? Area of segment is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square minus r square by 2 into sin theta. We have given r and theta, both things are given to you. Now let us see here. Area of segment equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square minus r square upon 2 sin theta. Okay, now I am going to put here. This is 60 degree, this is 360 degree, pi value 22 upon 7, 22 upon 7 into 21, r is 21 into 21. Then minus, this is the minus r square, 21 into 21 upon 2. This is sine 60 degree. Okay, the value of sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. I am writing here. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, now I am going to solve. 61 is 60, 66 are. Okay, 7 1 is 7, 7 3 are. 2 3 is 6, 11. And then 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. Here is 11 into 21. And here 441 upon 2. And what is sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. Okay, this is your root 3 upon 2. This is 231 by Vedic method. Earlier we have seen this question again. Then 441 root 3 and 2 2s are 4 centimeter square. This is what? Area of segment. Yes, the next question. A chord of a circle of the radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree. Okay, at the center. Find the area of corresponding segment of the circle. What is given? See here. Once area of segment you have to find out. This is 120 degrees given to you. Okay, this is 120 degree. Angle is given to you 120. AB is the chord, and this we have to find this segment. Okay, and what is given? Pi is 3.14 and root 3 is 1.73 you have to use. If they are asking the question value, root 3 value is given to you, then only you have to convert, otherwise you can put directly as it is root 3 to root 3. Come on, area of segment theta upon 360 degree into pi r square minus r square upon 2 sin theta. But here is theta is 120. How can we get it? One more formula we have. You can convert in like in this way: theta upon 360 degree into pi r square minus r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Theta is 120 degree, then theta by 2 means what? 120 degree upon 2. This will be 60 degree. Okay. Getting? So you have to put 60 degree. Then 60 degree value you know by directly table. So theta is your 120 here. This is 360 degree. This is 3.14. R is 12 into 12 minus 12 into 12 sin theta by 2 is what? 60 degree into cos 60 degree. Okay, then 12 1 ja 12, 12 3 ja 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja. Okay, so 3.14 into 12 4 ja 48. 144 sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. What is cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. This is 1 upon 2. So you remove this sign, this is 100 will come, and then after 2 1 the 2, 2 7 the 14, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2, this is 36, 15072. Okay, this is divided by 100, minus 36 to 36, the value of root 3 is given to you 1.73. So 15072 divided by 100, you can write 150.72, and this after multiplication you will get 62.78. And then when you subtract it, this is 12 minus 8 4, 6 minus 2 4 point, then 9 minus, this is what here, 10 minus 2 8, and here 14 minus 6 8, 88.44 centimeter square. This is your area of segment.